Here is a CEC 52-inch ceiling fan with green blades with cane. Never seen green blades on a ceiling fan before, but this ceiling fan came from the trash. This is the second ceiling fan in my collection. This came from the same place as that one, but yeah, there's light bulbs in there. Homemade wooden tassels that I made out of scrap wood. Yeah. It's flush mounted. Fan is from 1990. And that one is from 1986. So, not sure when or how these were used, but yeah. If I had to guess, these were used in a garage or something because it's pretty tarnished and dirty. But here it is without the light, and here is low. Ceiling fan does have a little bit of a startup sound to it. Medium. This is the speed it's normally used on in here. And high. Also, this whole thing is loose. Doesn't really wobble. It's just a little bit rattly. And off. All right, thanks for watching.